Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Basics of Shell Scripting. In the previous 3 videos, we have already discussed how we can use the while loop. In this video, we will discuss how we can use the until loop. So what is the syntax of the until loop? And for that, once again, we are using the same file hello.sh as like the previous videos. So open the hello.sh at first. So what is the syntax of the until loop? That must be until, then the condition that start with the square bracket. So that is condition, or we may use double parenthesis, and in between the double parenthesis we can use the condition. After that the do, then the as usual comment 1, then comment 2, then comment 3, then whatever the comments we need, and then the end of the until with the done keyword. So practically what is happening with the until loop? When the condition, that means until condition, when the condition is false or until the condition is false, the comments are executed. So demonstrate the until loop, we want to proceed with an example and we want to print the value from 1 to 10. Let's check what we can do here. At first we are declaring a variable small n with the value assigned with it as 1. So until, then the condition is, then at first after the opening square bracket a space must be there, then $n and minus ge, that means greater than or equal to, then 10 and a space, after that the square bracket ends. And we are not using that type of condition syntaxes, so we are removing it. Do, then here the comments, and at first the first comment is echo, just print the $n, that means print n. Then we have to use the increment, and here for that $n is equal to dollar double open parenthesis a space, then we are incrementing the value of n a space and end of double parenthesis, then the done. Ctrl S to save the file. Let's check what should be the output here. So here we are executing the script bash hello.sh. Look, the output is not up to 10, practically up to 9. So why up to 9? Before 9 up to 8 the condition false. Why the condition false? Because here n is equal to 1, greater than or equal to 10, false. Up to 8 greater than or equal to false. So the condition is false. So the command echo $n is executed, that means the values of 1 to 8 are executed. After that, when n is equal to 9, that is also true. So 9 greater than equal to 10 false, so the 9 is also the output here. After that, when n is equal to 9 plus 1, that means 10, but 10 greater than equal to 10, greater than is not satisfying but equal to, that is true with the 10. So the condition is not false, the condition is true here. So the comments, that means at first the echo $n is not executing. So that's why the 10 is not executing here or not the output found here. So to execute the output from 1 to 10, we have to change the condition also. We can change the condition from greater than equal to greater than. Here 10 is greater than 10, the condition is false. So we can find out the output from 1 to 10. Ctrl S to save the file and check the output once again. And here we can find out the result as 1 to 10. Now, as already said, according to the syntax of the until, we can also use the double parenthesis here. And for that, here suppose we are changing that, we can use the double parenthesis at the start and end parenthesis double here. But here we have to use not minus GT, here we have to use the greater than sign. And let's check what should be the output once again. So here bash hello.sh, and once again the output remains the same. Ctrl L to clear the screen at first once again. Now we can also change that particular line also using the post increment or the pre increment way. So according to the post increment way, we can use here that just remove these lines, and here not n plus 1, just write down n plus plus. That is the way of post increment. Let's check what should be the output. So the output remains the same, and same as we can use the pre increment way. So that is plus plus n, pre increment way. Ctrl S to save the file, and let's check what is the output once again, and the output remains the same. So that is how we can use the until loop in the bash shell script. If you find the video is useful, you can like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel.